Hyanatma bandhastadayeva samsrudihi. This worldliness, for whom is the worldliness? The world is an object. Worldliness is what it creates. It can do nothing to the subject. The entire world is around you only to tell you that you are not I, you are my subject. What did I say? The entire world is around us only to tell you repeatedly that, my dear man, my dear woman, you are the subject and I am your object. My presence is only to show you as different from me. नहीं समझा? हाँ? सभी तो सिर नहीं हिलाते. The world, the presence of the world. I see the world, so I am a seer. I hear you, so I am the hearer. I experience the misery, so I am the experiencer. I enjoy the happiness, so I am the enjoyer. I am not the happiness. Only when I remain different from the happiness I enjoy, I can enjoy it. So in all our experiences, sensory, mental, intellectual or otherwise, I remain the subject, I remain the subject. This subject nature of myself, I am not able to know. That is my bondage. So my bondage is in the nature of ignorance. Ignorance. अज्ञान के कारण बंध हुआ. किसका बंधन? कहां बंधन? अपने को बंधन करने वाला कोई कुछ है क्या? हाँ? चुप रहते हैं क्यों? आप तो सब्जेक्ट है. सपोज यू आर बाउंड, यू आर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द बॉन्डेज, नेवर द बॉन्डेज. तयोर विवेकोदित बोधवन्निः, तयोः of the two, vivekodita bodhavannhi. Try to distinguish between the two, discriminate between the two. I the subject, body the object. I the thinker, thought the object, thinking my function. I the understander, understanding the object. I am not the sight, but I am the seer. I am not the sound, but I am the hearer. I am not the smell, but I am the smeller. I am not the taste, but I am the taster. I am not the touch, but I am the toucher. बोलिए ना बार बार. हम राम राम कृष्ण कृष्ण जपते हैं, ठीक ही है. राम को मुक्ति मिली. राम का शब्द बोल बोलकर श्री रामचंद्र महाप्रभु मुक्त हो गए, और बोलने वाला बंधित रहते हैं. दशाब्दों छिपीते हैं, फिर भी राम 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 चलता है. राम राम राम. You are not the chanting, you are the subject of the chanter, you are the hearer of Ram Nam. Until you are able to delve into your mind, into your mind, into your mind, ये झंझट नहीं मिटेगा. Tayor vivekaha. Viveka means what? Viveka Chudamani we are discussing. Viveka means the discrimination between the subject and the object. Udita bodhavannihi. From applying your discrimination, by applying your discrimination, you will start developing viveka, and this viveka will start blazing like a fire. Aag ke saman jalega. Then in that fire, ajnana karyam pradahet samulam. The ignorance, along with his central root, spinal root, everything will be completely burnt off. Let the knowledge be ignited in you. Knowledge be ignited in you by a process of reflection, introspection, rumination, deliberate thinking. When you submit your whole process to a process of thinking, rumination and introspection, then from that you will find a fire. The fire of knowledge will start blazing, and all the ignorance will be burned off. You are going to be liberated here and now, not after death. As you are feeling bondage in your mind, liberation also should be in the same mind, in the same buddhi. लोग कभी कभी पूछते हैं मोक्ष कहाँ है, बंधन कहाँ है, पहले बोलो. तुम्हारा बंधन कहाँ है? सिर के ऊपर है क्या, या घर में है? कहाँ है तुम्हारा बंधन? मेरा बंधन तो मेरे भीतर है, वहां ही मुक्ति भी होगी। जिस प्रकार सोच रहे हो मैं बंधित हूं, उसी प्रकार सोचना शुरू होगा मैं अबंधित हूं, मुक्त हूं। दोनों एक्सपीरियंस है। बंधन ही मेरा अनुभव है, मुक्ति भी मेरा अनुभव होना चाहिए, होगा। सो नेवर थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज दिस बॉन्डेज एंड वेयर कैन आई गेट रिड ऑफ इट। शरीर के गिरने के उपरांत किसको क्या होगा कौन बोलने वाला है? कोई बोलता है मैं मर चुका हूं? बोलिए ना। आप लोग तो दूसरों को मराते हैं, कोई नहीं मरता। वी से ही हैज गॉन। ओ नहीं, लेट अस प्रिपेयर, हरि बोल हरि बोल। कोई बोलता है क्या मैं मर चुका हूं, मुझे जला दो? और किसी का अनुभव है मेरा जन्म हुआ है? आपका जन्म हुआ है क्या? हम जानते हैं हम रहते हैं, रह रहे हैं। कोई बोलने वाला नहीं मेरा जन्म हुआ। उसका अर्थ पहले नहीं होता, पहले नहीं होता, ये ठीक नहीं है। जो पहले हुआ होता था वही अब हो सकता है। सपोज यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंट बिफोर कमिंग टू दिस हॉल, विल यू बी एबल टू बी प्रेजेंट नाउ? So we are born in this world, we are present in this world. If we were absent earlier, can we become present now? थोड़ा विचार करके बोलिए ना। यदि आप पहले नहीं होते, अब हो सकते हैं क्या? बोलिए ना। मैं सभी समय होता था, न होने वाला नहीं। होने का अर्थ होना ही है। कहाँ लिखा है होने का अर्थ न होना है? नहीं समझा। What is the meaning of existence? Existence is to be existing. So can the existence ever become non-existence? यदि आप लोग उपस्थित हैं, अब पहले भी उपस्थित होते, बाद में भी उपस्थित होंगे। उपस्थिति अनुपस्थिति नहीं बनेगी। नहीं समझा? हाँ, बोलिए ना। फायर कोल्ड होगा क्या? मिट्टी पानी बन सकती है और पानी मिट्टी भी नहीं बनेगा। तब क्या है? बोलिए ना जोर से। क्या बोलना है? जिस प्रकार मैं रह रहा हूं इसी प्रकार मैं रहता था, इसी प्रकार मैं रहूंगा भी। न रहना मेरे लिए ना मुझे असंभव है। दिस इज द नॉलेज दैट यू वांट टू हैव। एम आई क्लियर और नॉट? एम आई ऑल स्पीकिंग जस्ट वर्ड्स और डू दे मीन समथिंग टू यू? तयोर्विवेकोदित बोधवन्निः अज्ञानकार्यं प्रदहेत् समूलम। That is why the Guru and the Shishya enter into a dialogue. जहां जहां दुख है, जहां जहां अज्ञान है, इसको निकालने के लिए, मिटाने के लिए एकमात्र उपाय है अच्छी तरह तत्व प्रवचन, तात्विक संवाद होना चाहिए। Anywhere and everywhere, the mind, miserable mind, has been treated by a knowledgeable intelligence. The Shishya, on hearing the words of the Guru, he says, Kripaya shruyatam swamin prashnoyam kriyate maya yaduttaramaham shrutva kritarthasyam bhavan mukhad. This is the way you should go to a Guru and talk. Learn it. You are very intelligent, very wise, very knowledgeable, occupying good positions, but understand that this is the real mission of your life. Go to a knower of truth, submit yourself before him and ask him whatever you want. So the Shishya says, Kripaya shruyatam swamin.
Kripaya shruyatam swamin.
बोलिए ना अच्छी तरह। कृपया श्रूयताम स्वामिन्।
कृपया श्रूयताम स्वामिन्।
प्रश्नोऽयं क्रियते मया।
प्रश्नोऽयं क्रियते मया।
यदुत्तरमहं श्रुत्वा।
यदुत्तरमहं श्रुत्वा।
कृतार्थस्यां भवन्मुखात्।
कृतार्थस्यां भवन्मुखात्।
कृपया Kripaya
Kripaya
Shruyatam
Shruyatam
Swamin
Swamin
Prashnaha
Prashnaha
Ayam
Ayam
Swamin Prashnoyam
Swamin Prashnoyam
Kriyate
Kriyate
Maya
Maya
Yaduttaram
Yaduttaram
Yad
Yad
Uttaram
Uttaram
Aham
Aham
Yaduttaramaham
Yaduttaramaham
Shutva
Shutva
Kritarthaha
Kritarthaha
Syam
Syam
Bhavanmukhad.
Bhavanmukhat.
My dear souls, yesterday I explained to you the Srimad Bhagavata verse. All of you are very fortunate, I said, quoting a Bhagavata verse. Bhagyodayena bahujanma samarjitena satsangameva labhate purusho yadavai ajnana hetu krita moha mahamdhakara nasham vidhayahi tatodayate vivekaha. Srimad Bhagavata says, by virtue of the long-standing punya which your predecessors have acquired, you are able to have satsang. Satsang. The very fact that you feel like coming over here, sitting early in the morning with a lot of austerity, piety, devotion and weddedness to our culture. You know, you are very, very fortunate. Fortunate. Such fortunate people alone are able to get the benefit of satsang. And the benefit of satsang is it destroys your ajnana and viveka rises in your mind. This is what you must have. You test the satsang on the ground, how much of viveka it is able to give you, produce in you. So he says, Kripaya Shruyatam Swamin. My dear sir, my dear Lord, mercifully, please listen to me. Prashnoyam kriyate maya. I am making a submission in the form of a question. Or in the form of a question, I am making a submission. Yaduttaramaham shrutva. By listening to the reply from your mouth, kritarthaha, my life will become fulfilled. Suniye na thoda. Achhi tarah suniye. Our culture is very great. A man becomes a kritartha. He finds his life becomes meaningful and fulfilled when he is able to go to the presence of a Sadguru and ask him to give him knowledge, instruction. Until then the life has got no meaning, no purpose. Not at all. You may be a big person, a big family man, maybe a lot of property, many things you may have. It's all to be multiplied by zero. Zero. When you are, it is all the object wealth that you have. When you have a big industrial empire, you are only the subject of that empire. Your factory is not yours. It is upon the earth. You cannot take it from there. It's a property of the earth, made by the earth's substances. It is never yours. When you have children, they remain separate. You don't become them. The one thing that remains with you is knowledge, nothing else. So to be able to go to a guru, sit in his presence and ask him the question, the seeking of your heart, and when you listen to the reply from him, that is what makes your life really worthy, meaningful, purposeful and fulfilled. India is a country where we consider knowledge to be supreme. Kya bataya? Knowledge to be supreme. In a golden balance, put knowledge on one of the pans and everything else, including Swarga and Vaikuntha, on the other. For us, knowledge weighs more. You are not able to understand who is an ascetic and who is a sannyasin. You know, we are sannyasins for whom knowledge is supreme. In pursuit of knowledge, as a dedication to knowledge pursuit, We have left everything in this world. Everything. Everything conceivable. Can you imagine? The celebrated people for whom the sacred thread means a lot of, what shall I say, a great sublimity, a great sanctity. When they take up the sannyasa, they take away the sacred thread and put it on the fire. They cut their shikha and put it on the fire. The sannyasa is such a great thing. In pursuit of knowledge, which knowledge? Not external knowledge, the knowledge of the soul, the knowledge of the I. In pursuit of that, they leave the profession, the income, the family, the property, one's own birthplace, everything is left in pursuit of this knowledge, so that the pursuit will remain wholesome, deep and engulfing. If they hold on to a small piece of grass, their pursuit will not be perfect. I don't know whether you understand. थोड़ा सोच लीजिए ना. It is sincerity that demands and warrants sannyasa. I want to pursue knowledge in the full measure, in a wholesome, whole-time manner. I don't want any distraction. I don't want any corruption. I don't want any involvement. Knowledge. I want to install God in my heart. I have composed a verse. Because I have composed it, I don't remember it. I don't have it with me, but I will tell you the message. I have been struggling for getting rid of bondage, And ultimately, what have I found? I have bound you in my heart. समझते हैं क्या? I want to get rid of bondage. And in the end, what is the plight? I have bound you in my heart. So have I got rid of bondage or made it stable? Now, you are remaining bound in my heart. And your wonderful consort, God Mahalakshmi, seeing that her Lord is bound in my heart, she has left the milky ocean, Kshira Sagara. And she has come. Where is her husband? In my heart. I am not going to leave him. So Mahalakshmi is veering around me. Because the husband is inside me. A poetry मैंने लिखा. I have been striving to get rid of bondage, my dear Lord. Ultimately what I have done is ended up with bondage. I have bound you in my heart. Seeing you in my heart, your wonderful consort Mahalakshmi, having said goodbye to the milky ocean, Kshira Sagara, she is around me. The husband is within. I don't look at her at all, but she is always around me. She cannot allow me to be hurt because her husband is inside. You understand? सुनिए ना, हंसिए. भगवान डराने वाले नहीं, आनंदित करने वाले हैं. भगवान का नाम लेकर हंसिए, नाच कीजिए. इसीलिए सभी लोग भगवान तुम जब कब आओगे, अरे आई एम टायर्ड ऑफ हियरिंग दीज सॉन्ग्स. तुम कब आओगे? वो भगवान आने वाला भी ही, जाने वाले भी नहीं, वो रहने वाले हैं. भगवान सभी जगह विराजमान है, अंदर है, बाहर है. इस प्रकार के भगवान को आप पुकारते हैं क्या? मूर्खता के कारण. भगवान को पुकारना है क्या? अनुभव कीजिए. अंतरात्मा के रूप में अहम मैं हूं शब्द का आधार होकर आपके भीतर लगातार विराजमान है. इस बात को, इस सत्य को जब तक आप नहीं समझ पाओगे, आपका लाइफ मिसरेबल ही होगा, दूसरा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. Another time I composed a verse. My dear Lord, I am carrying you in my heart. What? I am carrying you in my heart. And you are bearing the whole universe. Anybody who is rich in this world, where from has he got riches? From the earth. Either farming and agriculture, or making things, industrializing products, manufacturing products. So everybody's riches They are borrowed from you, from your earth, is it not? बोलिए ना थोड़ा, हाँ? And you are the wonderful source who has produced the earth and other things. So who is the richest person in this world? The richest source is Bhagavan. और तुम्हें मैं क्या करता हूं? मेरे हृदय पर स्थापना करके अच्छी तरह, I am carrying you in my heart. When I carry you in my heart and you are the source of all resources in this world, where is the question of my lacking resources for whatever little I want to do in your name and for your sake? Suppose I am put into any discomfort, tell me whose reputation is at stake? बोलिए ना थोड़ा. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूं भगवान के नाम के लिए, प्रसिद्धि के लिए. जिस प्रकार विष्णु सहस्रनाम विश्वयज्ञ महोत्सव का विचार विमर्श होता था उस समय, सी सडनली we were spending about 40-50 lakhs of rupees and the expenditure is going to be more than 1 crore. वो कहाँ से पैसा कहाँ से होगा? So I generally say in the bathroom, so verses like this come to my mind. So I am saying I am carrying you in my heart and you are the super resources of everything. All the rich people are like borrowing riches from you, stealing your product. That is how they have become riches. Do you mean to say that I should go to the rich people and beg from them for whatever resources I want to conduct something good for you and making you popular in this world? If our efforts are disabled, your reputation is at stake. There will be nobody to talk about you. You are invisible. Who will speak? We alone will speak. Nobody else will speak. So make sure that we are healthy and we are prosperous. सब ठीक ठाक रखो, नहीं होने से नुकसान तुम्हारा है, मेरा नहीं है. ये सुनकर आपको क्या लगता है? Do you feel that Swamiji is talking big? इसी प्रकार सोचिए ना. My only mission in the world is to ask people to install God in their heart. God in their heart. Install Him there. Tie Him firmly, His feet, with the cord of love that you have. You cannot get love from the bank, from the market. It can only be generated by your heart. So make it a cord and firmly tie His feet in your heart so that He can never escape from you. This is what Srimad Bhagavata says. इसी प्रकार करने के स्थान पर हम क्या करते हैं? वहां जाकर चिल्लाते हैं, रोते हैं. भगवान का नाम लेकर रोना है या हंसना है? अच्छी तरह हंस हंस कर भगवान का नाम बोलिए. हरे राम गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारे, हरे राम गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारे, हरे राम गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारे. खोल कर बोलिए ना, कोई कुछ भीतर नहीं रहेगा, दुख का टुकड़ा भी नहीं रहेगा. ओपन योर माउथ, सिंग लाउडली, हियर योर ओन वॉइस. In that process you will find every kind of constriction, fear, lack, deficiency, delusion, everything will be completely burnt off. We are not able to sing the name of God in a proper, wholesome manner. That is our problem. I have listened to so many songs, all are crying songs. Bhagwan tum kab आओगे? क्या? मेरा मन चंचल है, मेरा मन चंचल है. इसी प्रकार से रोने की कहानी है.